Okay, so sometimes when I'm in a hurry and I don't have time to really thoroughly clean everything, what I do is I just do a quick rinse of the items that are that are dirty, that I was just working on whatever food prep that I was doing. So I do a quick rinse, okay, in the sink, and then I stick them on this tray. Turn the water off, and I stick them on this. I have got some pulp in there that's gonna try to drain out. Okay. So what I do is I have this tray on my counter. I actually have two of them. And so if I'm in a hurry, instead of keeping my sink filled with dirty dishes, I put them on the counter next to the sink, and I just have them there. They're already rinsed, because right now I've got a clean dishwasher, but I don't have time at this exact moment to take and put all this stuff away because I'm on a schedule. So I'm going to leave what's clean in the dishwasher. The new dirty stuff goes in this tray on the counter. And then when I get back from my appointments, I'll take out what's clean. I'll put the dirty in here that's already rinsed. And then I'll have a clear tray again to then add into it. Sometimes when I have items in the dishwasher that don't dry so well, I then put them over my drying rack. It's another, just drying rack, but it's over top of the sink. And then those items can then thoroughly dry before I put them away in the cabinet. So it's just a simple tip and a trick that I do to maintain and keep my kitchen in order. And then for travel, I have this little travel bag here. It's just like an out to lunch bag. And I generally keep my thermoses here next to the sink. And then when I'm ready to go, I'm filling up my thermoses with hot water, coffee, what have you, and putting all my containers that I'm taking back into the camper van with me, so that I have everything that I need